In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced lecture. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.3, question number 4, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Prove that conjugate of z is equal to z if and only if z is real. So let z is equal to a plus iota b. So z is the complex number, so complex form is equal to a plus iota b. Then conjugate, taking conjugate on both sides, so conjugate of z is equal to a plus iota b conjugate. So conjugate of a plus iota b can also be written in the form of a minus iota b. According to question, that is conjugate of z is equal to z. So value of z is equal to a plus iota b is equal to value of z conjugate is equal to a minus iota b. So a plus iota b, take right hand side a minus iota b, to left hand side sign will be negative minus a, so plus iota b is equal to 0. Minus a plus a cancelled, so iota b plus iota b is equal to 2 iota b equal to 0. So dividing by 2 iota on both sides, so b is equal to 0, that is real part. So put b is equal to 0 in complex number z. So z is equal to a plus iota 0, so z is equal to a, so z is real. Next, so according to question, that is if and only if z is real. Suppose that z is real, so that z is equal to a. So taking conjugate, z conjugate is equal to conjugate of a is equal to a. So a is real part sign no change. So z conjugate is equal to z, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.